A complete turn is divided into 360 degrees, written like this. This means that half a turn is 180 degrees and a quarter of a turn is, which is a right angle, it's 90 degrees. Now, this is 90 degrees or one right angle. This is 180 degrees or two right angles. This is 270 degrees or three right angles. And this is 360 degrees or four right angles. And this is full turn. Now let's estimate some angles. Now by looking at this angle, we know that it's less than 90 and this one is about 50 degrees. This angle is greater than 90 and less than 180 and it's about 120 degrees. This angle is more than 180 degrees and less than 270 degrees. It's about 240 degrees and this last angle is more than 270 degrees and it's about 310 degrees. If you want to get full benefit of this course, then do the practice sheet of this lesson before moving on to the next lesson.